You're not going to believe this. I stumbled upon a simple trick that completely changed my life and my confidence in the bedroom. For years, I struggled, pills didn't work, and I was starting to think nothing would. Then I discovered this 15-second salt trick, and everything turned around. Here's the deal, this isn't some gimmick, it's a natural hack developed from a Harvard study that boosts blood flow by over 300%. All you do is place a bit of salt under your tongue, and it starts working almost immediately. I was skeptical at first, but once I tried it, the results were undeniable. Before this, I felt like I was letting my partner down. I lacked energy, stamina, and confidence, but after just a week of trying this trick, I felt like a completely different man. The difference was night and day. I went from feeling defeated to having the strength and endurance I hadn't felt in years. Even guys in their 20s would be envious. It's not just me either. This salt trick is natural, safe, and works for men of all ages, even those in their 70s or 80s. And the best part, no more relying on expensive pills or quick fixes that don't deliver. This is simple, effective, and backed by science. I was so blown away by the results that I wanted to share it with others. I found a practical and effective solution, Nitrox Pro, that can transform your intimate life in a simple and powerful way without any hassle. We created Nitrox Pro because the salt trick is difficult to prepare, and this formula was designed for you to get results quickly and easily. Don't waste time trying something that might not work, but act fast, stock is limited, and spots are running out quickly. Click now on the first link in the description and secure yours before it's too late.